Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kalapan kre ban Pynlong biang ya ka fourth Sohra International Half Marathon 8,000 apusan kabalatmu ban Pynlong ha ka arpunyo Tarik Nailur 8,000 apusan ha Sohra. Kani ka jing kop mare ka kentup ya ka 21k 10k bat ka 5k ha ka ba lakmi linti banwan nishim benta kumba 10,000 ngut kibana kaleng jongkari kumju kibana barri lembat kibana ka jilla Meghalaya. Kajing Pynlong ya kani kajing kop kalong ru ha kaju kapor ban kintiu ya ki kam jngok kai bat ru ban pinyo ya ka met ka bakot pakhya ha kani kalinti la kintiu ya ka khusnam pisa na ka benta ki nong job habaro ki kerdan jing kop kalong khat san lak san pho hajar tingka habaya kren ba ki nong tho khubor ha ka nyotrik unai tung 8,000 apusan u working president ka MSOA uba John F Khashing uloong bakani ka jing kop kan long kumju kumbalong house nem balala balakmi linti bakin dan hadu 10,000 ngur kinong yishimbinta lakin turu ya baro kinong yishimbinta bagi deban one eye jing tep hashwa ka 10,000 unai lur 8,000 apusan
Jembrel Basal ke Food Sohra International Half Marathon ke Pynlong Haba Arpunyo Tarik September Ajar Sam di Sohra ni aku boleh usulkan mereka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Meghalaya Athletic Association yang diajin usaha usulkan promote yang jembrel ketika half marathon aku yang lebih yang di pang di babel sarang batai ba fain pada syuhada batai itu dan keluar tiada ini kita mana kami bicara di wandra di port dengan Sohra apa pun siapa sih apa ni kerja mereka kerana day dalam timing buat kita tak tinggi kerja chip mau dia di Athletics Federation of India FIFA antar mundur datang cara mereka di dalam Iwan Slam di terpenting adalah dia port menolak suman yo itu kecil kebangun kita bah lawan mereka bahwa mereka timing dia nomor 4 menolak yo kecil sini
once again conduct the international event, that is the Sohra International Half Marathon in the beautiful place that is Sohra. And from the department, we have earmarked sufficient funds for the successful conduct of this great event once again. All the subcommittees has been notified and they are already functioning. We are also collaborating with the district administration, with the locals of Sohra area also. So hopefully the contribution of all, with the collaboration of all, this year again we will be conducting the fourth Sohra International Marathon successfully.
Extend, as Director has mentioned, extend our sincere thanks to the sub-divisional SDO Civil, the police, SDO Civil, and the entire government machinery, and the Sohra Shrong, all the village heads in that route who have continuously also collaborated to make it a success. We are really grateful to all the departments, the line departments in the subdivision who have really collaborated to make this run a big success, from police, from the health department, the education department, and other line departments. Thank you.
People of Sohra, because school are joining us and all the youth, there is no entry fee for the run for fun for the Sohra region. Means one nearby village and the school they are giving separate entry. So for them they have no need to pay any money except those who are doing online. They have elite and for 21k elite and 21k above 18 for Meghalaya because they want to give Meghalaya separate. But for elite also, if Meghalaya want to compete and the elite section, they can compete if they feel they can. So it's up to them to choose with that. But if you come for 21k above 18, they can compete in this Meghalaya, which is just 200 rupees and 3. The prize money is slightly less, 50,000, 20. So for the league is 1,50,000, 75,50, consolation 5, 10,000, so 3,25,000 for the league. So some have competed last year were good. So they earn more money if you go to and the other Magdalene get a chance to do this. So 10K are all open, 18 to 40, 14 to 55, 55 and above, all from India and participate in this run. For us, the marathon, we have not increased like this year, is the same rate for the 4 years. Everything, that's why the government is for. Except we are expensive more in transportation, which shouldn't have done, but we have to drop them to Sohra. And the food, we are giving good food. So this time the total budget is 2 crore 97, including technical options, all these transportation, we have to pay the FI 10 lakhs regarding permission and regulation, so allowance technical options. So these are only thing honorarium for all the volunteers, hiring the vehicles. There's not much of the so it's just a minimum. It's one of the cheapest marathon but the highest prize money as compared to other states, except those international ones. Currently we have changed this time. Last time we put about 60 years, this time we have done away with the 60 years because of less participants. So this time we are doing only 21 elite open above 18, 21 open only for Magdalene above 18, 10K 18 to 40 years, 10K 40 to 55 years, 10K 55 years and above. All these are open category. So the prize money I'll be sharing with you the details. I need not to say the total prize money is 15 lakhs 50,000. We do have the gift for the under 14 run for fun for the first 200 runners, and also consolation prize for the above 50 who finish that 21K. Last time also we gave them some cash prize, this time also we're giving them. So everything online entry, we'll explain again about John, the online thing that this time we request, especially from Meghalaya, they used to wait till the last moment because network problem, no? Sometimes they wait till the last moment, no, we cannot get the link. So we request all the participants to kindly do it. Since our entry fee is very cheap, we are taking only 1,000. And also the 21K, 10K for all the race is just 200 rupees. And this time we added 50 rupees for the 10K. We added this 10K run is because of the run for fun, because most last year we have a big problem because of online entry, they get free and they just enter like that one name 5, 6 times and it make a big mess for us. And you have to hire bus, the bus has been hired, some 10, 15 bus are wasted. Because on the fund we are not much concerned, we are more concerned of this competitive. Yes, we have been responding to this call of the MSA to be here for this press conference for the 4th International Sohra Marathon. I cannot imagine that be the 4th because at the start we are talking the thing that we want to do now is only we started from the first year at 2,800, second year is 3,800, fifth is 5,000, fourth, third is 4,000, of 7,000. Now it is, you don't expect nothing more than 10,000 this time. So we're happening in Sohra and all. We hope that as a meeting held with SDO, that all the people of Sohra are willing to join this run to show the solidarity for the people of Sohra for what is happening. And we're happy that everything is solved. So this is time to showcase Sohra as a tourist destination of Meghalaya. Once again, thank you to media for your cooperation with our group. We will not be able, as I said last year, we didn't do any publicity except press conference. So this time I hope you help us in spreading the news of this surrounding. This surrounding is the same as we have done last year, except that it's recognized by the Athletic Federation. You have to pay them money. All the technical options, all the timing technologies, everything is all from the AFI, which are recognized by the World Athletic Association. So regarding technical part, this is done by them. Ours is to just to really see that the routes is good and the volunteers, the refreshment and thing, the water point, the medical team, so as we have seen, will be done by in collaboration with the Dutch Sport and us, MSA and MA.